A woman in Britain now has a place in the history books as the first person in a Western country to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. Hospitals here in the East are preparing to give the same vaccine to people at the head of their lines.
9 on your sides, Camila Barco continues our team coverage live from Onslow Memorial Hospital. And Camila, who will be receiving the first batch of doses?
Ken, Angie, there are still a lot of unknowns. Some hospitals in the East tell me they are not aware of when they will receive the COVID vaccine, but one local medical facility says they have an idea as to when they will have the first doses in their hands.
Sometime next week, 975 Pfizer doses will be stored in this special freezer at Carolina East.
And then they will hold back 1,000 doses from their stockpile to send to us when the next dose is due.
Dr. Janelle Butts, the hospital's pharmacy director, says their healthcare workers at high risk of exposure will be the first group to receive the vaccine.
The first couple phases are directed at making sure that the people who take care of the public are able to continue with that.
Pfizer will require each recipient to receive 2 doses a few weeks apart. Employees are currently undergoing software training to track that information.
There's a lot of nuances in the software that allow us to call people back, and it also gives us access across the whole platform to see which vaccine you got.
UNC Lenore healthcare administrators have been told they could get vaccines as soon as December 14th. Those doses will be given to healthcare employees, but plans to administer the vaccine to employees is still being finalized at Carolina East and Onslow Memorial Hospital. Officials are not aware when they will receive their portion of COVID shots at the Jacksonville facility. They do know their distribution will be limited to their healthcare workers. Dr. Butts is confident people will be able to get vaccinated quicker than they think.
It's not like this box we get next week will be our only dose.
Dr. Butts says no patients at the hospital with COVID will be receiving a vaccine. Live in Jacksonville, Camila Barco, 9 on your side.